Today, we're going to be diving into everything you need to know about SoFi Bank. And this is the modern digital-first bank that's been shaking things up in the financial industry for a very, very long time. And whether you're looking for a new bank or a place to invest or just to learn more, this video will have you covered. So let's get right into it. So what exactly or who exactly is SoFi Bank? SoFi Bank is part of a larger ecosystem of financial products. It has transformed into a fully fledged financial service platform that includes banking, investing, personal loans, and a whole lot more. And it's known for being a completely digital bank, which means it's no brick and mortar branches. You can't go into any physical locations. And they offer up to $2 million in FDIC insurance, while most banks only offer up to $250,000. That's actually one of the biggest advantages of SoFi. Even if you don't have $250,000 or more, it is something to consider that most places will only insure you for a very, very small portion of what they do, up to $2 million. That's one of the main reasons why I'm looking at switching to SoFi now. SoFi also offers some of the best rates available. They have no monthly fees and a solid free overdraft coverage program for customers who do qualify for that. Now, this is going to be the thing that makes SoFi stand out from the competition and the key benefits that I personally enjoy with SoFi. SoFi is big on no-fee banking. So whether you're worried about overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, or ATM fees, SoFi has it all covered. That is a huge draw for people who are sick of these hidden fees with traditional banks that they love to sneak in. The benefit that you get from SoFi is very close to what you see with a lot of credit unions, except it really is a regular bank. Unlike most banks, SoFi also has competitive interest rates, and their savings accounts are some of the best that you could get, even compared with Navy Federal, which I will get into. Let's start with the SoFi checking and savings accounts. This is a great option if you don't mind keeping your savings and your checking all in one place, and you can earn a competitive interest rate if you set up direct deposit. I'll get into the exact rate in a moment, but you do have to have a minimum of $5,000 per month that's going into this account to take advantage of the full benefits. You can also earn a cash bonus of up to $300 if you are a new customer and you set up your direct deposit, or as an existing customer that hasn't set it up yet. This is a promotion that's going on at the time of recording this video. It is February the 6th, 2025. At this time, if you are watching this video and it has been a while since it's come out, you'll want to go on the website and ensure this promotion is still going on. However, this promotion should be going on until January of 2026. So it'll be relevant for a long period of time, but things change very, very quickly whenever it comes to features and promotions and a lot of rates. So always check the website to make sure this information is still relevant. Now that we discuss all the benefits, let's go over the pros of the SoFi checking and savings account. You can qualify for SoFi Plus by opening a SoFi checking and savings with eligible direct deposits. The direct deposit bonus period for SoFi begins when they receive $1 in direct deposit or more, and it has to be within the promotional period, and it ends 25 calendar days later. The bonus amount will vary based on the total amount of direct deposit that's received during that period. If you set up direct deposit and it's $1 to $999.99, you will receive $0 in the promotional offer. If you set up $1,000 to $4,999.99, you will receive $50. And if you set up direct deposit for $5,000 or more, you'll receive the full $300 bonus. This is a promotion that's available at the time of recording. Once the direct deposit bonus period has elapsed, SoFi will determine if you have met the offer requirements and will deposit any earning bonuses into your checking account within 7 business days. So for example, if SoFi receives between $1,000 and $4,999.99 in direct deposits during the bonus period, you'll receive a one-time cash bonus of only $50 because it was below $5,000. So within the first 25 days, if you do less than $5,000, you will only get $50. You can earn up to 3.8% annual percentage yield, the APY, on savings balances if you set up the direct deposit for that $5,000 minimum per month. Chase has a savings account with the APY of 0.01%. The interest rate for Wells Fargo's Way 2 savings account is 0.01%. And even Navy Federal, they have the jumbo market account that Visa has an APY of 2.25%, but you have to keep over $1 million in the account in order for you to get that. And that is the highest APY that you can earn at the time of recording this video for Navy Federal. So I wanted to just give an example of, even with, some of the best credit unions, the largest banks, you're still going to earn more money in interest with SoFi. If you had $5,000 in a Chase savings account, you would only earn 50 cents per year in interest. That's it. Now, on the other hand, if you had that same $5,000 in the SoFi savings, you would earn $190 in a year, or 380 times as much as Chase. Keep in mind, these rates change all the time. So depending on when you're watching this video, the rates could be higher or lower. So be sure to check out the website for the latest rate information. To open this SoFi account, you really don't have to deposit any particular amount. In fact, it's actually zero for the opening deposit. Again, there's minimal banking fees. There's great savings tools, and you can receive your paycheck up to 2 days sooner with early direct deposit. Next, we're talking about SoFi Vault, a really cool feature. It's a way that you can actually bucket your savings and organize funds within your SoFi high yield savings account. Vault is going to act as an extension of your main account. It allows you to set a particular goal for your money for whatever specific reason that you have, like an emergency, a vacation, anything like that. And you can do this without creating separate accounts. My favorite part about this feature is the auto transfer rule, and you can set this in conjunction with direct deposit. So for example, let's say that you receive your paycheck and you deposit money into your checkings. You can automatically move the rest of the money to a vault for a savings goal. This way you can save or set aside money without even thinking about it, while also earning money from the interest. So you can save and earn at the exact same time. Next, we're looking at the SoFi debit card. Surprisingly, this card actually had a lot of features that were pretty good. The SoFi Money MasterCard offers up to 15% cash back at local restaurants and merchants, and the available merchants and restaurants can change frequently, but you can use the SoFi app to track them. You'll also be getting MasterCard Airport Concierge. It's available 24/7, 365 at over 450 destinations worldwide. Cardholders get 15% off personal meet and greet agents on departure, arrival, and or connecting flights. You also get the feature of MasterCard Golf, discounted access to golf courses, complimentary ground passes for PGA tournaments, access to domestic and international golf travel packages, and a whole lot more. You can also get coverage for new items that are purchased with your SoFi Money World Debit MasterCard that are damaged or stolen within 90 days of the date that you purchased them, and the claims are up to $1,000. You also get extended warranty, which can double the original manufacturer's warranty if you bought something in store, and the coverage is eligible for items that are purchased with this debit MasterCard. SoFi Invest is very similar to other online investing apps, but they do have a few features that stood out to me, and I want to tell you about the things that I did recognize. So they do allow fractional shares, meaning that you can buy a portion of a stock that's less than one whole share. Believe it or not, you can't always do that. That was one of the reasons why I stay with E-Trade, because they offer that. When you're buying ETFs, it's a really good feature to have. There's also no minimum dollar amount that you need to start investing. So with the active investing account, you can pick and choose what stocks, ETFs, or options, mutual funds that you would like to purchase. With automated investing, they automatically invest funds that you deposit based on the type of portfolio that you would like to have. I recommend you doing your own research, but this is a great feature for you to get started. Now, the SoFi credit card is something that I don't think is very special. It's good, it's okay, but it's not like the greatest credit card. But if you want to keep everything in-house in one place, it is something that you can check out. So SoFi will offer you 2 credit cards, the SoFi Everyday Cash Rewards card and the SoFi Essential Credit Card. Both cards are invitation only, and they aren't currently widely available, so you will have to wait to get an offer for this card. Now, all SoFi credit card products offer 3% cashback rewards on trips booked through SoFi Travel. Again, not unlike other cards that you've seen, but it is nice to have if you just want to keep everything in one place. If you redeem anywhere else, it drops down to 1%. There's no annual fee or surprise fees. There's the zero fraud liability, which is usually standard with every credit card, and a whole lot more. Now, the card's high flat rate applies when you redeem rewards in SoFi's Money or Invest account or put it towards the balances on a SoFi loan. But if you want a statement credit instead, rewards are only worth half as much. So if you want to use this card to earn a higher amount and then use it for investing or towards a SoFi loan, then by all means, this might work out great for you. It just gives you more reason to keep everything in one place. If not, then it's a credit card that, again, invitation only, very standard. If you can find some benefit from it, then great. If not, then there's other options out there. SoFi will offer you several types of loans. I actually wanted to cover each and every one of them, but it would have made this video incredibly long. If you do want to see a video going over all the SoFi loans, let me know in the comments and then I'll make that in a separate video. But SoFi, they have personal loans up to $100,000 with terms of 2 to 7 years. And SoFi offers personal loans, again, for a variety of purposes, including travel. So you can get a loan simply for traveling, for weddings, home improvements, and credit card consolidation. Currently, we're on the SoFi website right now. I just wanted to show a couple of the other things that we didn't get to discuss, but that are available here for you, like the insurance right here. So you can explore insurance coverage options. That's pretty cool. There's also that travel that we mentioned here. And then when it comes to the other products, like all of the different loans, you have medical, you have, we talked about the Parent Plus, the medical professional refinancing loan. There's a law and MBA loan. There's also all types of mortgages from FHA to VA. There's also a jumbo loan, cash out refinance loan. And there's just so many different types of loans here that you'd have to go through each and every one of them to figure out which one is going to be for your specific need. And again, the rates are all based on your credit worthiness and any other things that might change in the future. So always check the website to make sure that you have the latest information. Same thing, here are the credit cards. Here's the investing, where you can look at the active investing, the robo, fractional shares, ETFs. We didn't mention IRAs, but there are IRAs for SoFi that you can get. And then there's some additional things where if you want to look at auto insurance, life, homeowners, renters, anything like that. I mean, cyber, they pretty much offer everything that you can think of. And we did not go over the business solution side. There is SoFi at Work, small business financing. Now, for the lines of credit, I did look at this. I tried to search for financing, but it seems like it's only going to give you different options that you could get with partners. I didn't see one for just SoFi business funding, but it says find out if a business line of credit or other funding options may be available to you, all with a single search on our marketplace. So why shop marketplace for business financing? And it says one simple search explores your options in one place with no impact to your credit score. So it looks like this is really just for you to use SoFi to find business funding from other places, not actually getting it from them, but you can do it all in one place and they'll search for you and let you know what's available. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about a particular product, let me know in the comments below. I would be more than happy to do a full review on any one particular product, or I would be happy to do a full review on the SoFi loan. I have gotten pre-approved for that for right around like $35,000. I have not taken one out, so I didn't have any information to provide on that. I might consider actually doing that and getting the SoFi loan, letting you know like the data points, qualifications, exactly if there was anything that was needed. So just let me know exactly what information you would like to know more about when it comes to SoFi. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.